The President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria wey be President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, he don come again with another banger, and this na concerning the speculations about his 2027 re-election bid. Now normally our president is supposed to come outside like tell the general public whether he go contest or not, you understand, na yes or no something. Instead, the Nigerian leader come outside dey yarn dey give the general public say im dey committed to revitalizing the economy of we country Nigeria for the benefit of the country people. And our president wey be Bola Ahmed Tinubu, im dey make this remark, that is, im dey yarn this one so for inside the 2024 Southwest Assembly of the All Progressive Congress wey be APC. And na for inside this program, my good people, now our president Bola Ahmed Tinubu, who was represented by the chief of staff, and he dey go by the name Femi Gbajabiamila, he come use the opportunity come dey assure the general public say this in administration e dey prioritize long-term progress over short-term political benefits. According to how Oga Femi Gbajabiamila take yarn am, he say our president Bola Ahmed Tinubu don ask him now to come tell the general public say he no dey think of the next election but in dey think of the next generation. And our president come still ask him wey be Oga Femi to come pass this message now give the general public say he know very well say he don take some kind tough decisions, some kind tough policies wey he don implement, but make we get am for mind say he dey see the light at the end of the tunnel, and time go come wey be say all of us for inside this our country Nigeria, we go thank our president for this decision wey he don take. So from there now he come yarn say our president wey be Bola Ahmed Tinubu, he no dey think about the next election but he dey think about the next generation. He say for every moment in a country, a particular leader is produced for that time. Say this na the time to produce a leader wey dey courageous. Then Oga Femi come dey yarn on him own. He say the challenges of this our country Nigeria is very much diverse and e massive, no be small. Nobody go fit know the extent, nobody go fit know how huge the challenges be, nobody go fit know the volume of the gbese wey our country Nigeria dey into until the person climb the seat of presidency. He say he don check out our president wey be Bola Ahmed Tinubu. He don confirm am say nothing dey our president mind except the progress of we country Nigeria. And those people now wey know our president wella, they know very well say he love the masses pass any other thing. And as the country people dey complain about the policies, they complain about things and things wey he implement or how things be for inside we country Nigeria, the thing dey pain am very much dey pain am well. But this na man wey get strong conviction. He know wetin dey do and he dey pursue am. He go make sure say he achieve am, since na for the betterment of the general public. No be small matter like this, my good people. Now after every some ogbonge chieftain from the All Progressive Congress plus governors from Ogun State, Ondo State and Ekiti State, they come publicly endorse the re-election of Bola Ahmed Tinubu and other candidates of the party against the election wey go happen for inside the year 2027. Then the former Ekiti State governor wey dey go by the name Kayode Fayemi, he come dey praise our president Bola Ahmed Tinubu. He come dey call the man a listening leader with unwavering determination. No be small matter. And see this event, my good people, where all this level for dey happen, e dey hosted by the Lagos State governor, and he dey go by the name Babajide Sanwo-Olu. He bring together Southwest party leaders plus senators plus representatives and local government officials come this particular program. Then former Ogun State governor wey dey go by the name Chief Segun Osoba, he come dey urge the Southwest to make them fully support the administration of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, and he said their support is very much essential regardless of any personal grievances or challenges. No be small matter, my good people. As Chief Segun now dey yarn for inside the All Progressive Congress their Southwest Zone Assembly meeting wey happen for inside Eco Hotels and Suites for inside Lagos, he come dey yarn say the region is a must for them to stand behind President Bola Ahmed Tinubu for his current term, and they go still stand support our president Bola Ahmed Tinubu to secure his second term in office. Chief Segun say our president Bola Ahmed Tinubu na the first leader of the progressive political movement to hold the highest office of the nation. So we no go fit allow anybody now come scatter our democracy under President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. And they consider the yarn say the future of this our green white green country wey be Nigeria under the Tinubu leadership, e dey take precedence o, as in na be priority over any ill feelings, any bad thoughts wey country people dey get towards the presido and this in administration. And e come still let the general public know say when our presido Bola Ahmed Tinubu enter office as presido, e no get any money wey bin dey for the national treasury for subsidy. So like this now, my good people, our presido wey be Bola Ahmed Tinubu, e don let the general public know say for inside the year 2027 e go contest for presidency, and the All Progressive Congress dem don from now dey do the necessary, dem don dey do the needful to make sure say na him true sit down as presido of a country and him go come get a second term in office. And all of us know how the 2023 general elections dey play out. We don cross our finger, dey hope for the best for the year 2027. And based on how things dey waka for inside this country Nigeria, based on how politicians dey play politics, that 2027 general elections e go hot no be small. And big politicians now, dem don dey look forward to being presido of a country Nigeria. Man like El-Rufai, e don dey yarn say inside the year 2027 e go come back into politics. Now e no dey clear which position wey e go run for. Then the People's Democratic Party, dem dey press button make the former presido of a country Nigeria wey be Goodluck Ebele Jonathan, they want make this man now represent the People's Democratic Party for inside the year 2027. Meanwhile, the presidential candidate of the new Nigeria People's Party for inside the 2023 elections, in dey go by the name Rabiu Kwankwaso, he don express im willingness to be a running mate to Mr. Peter Obi of the Labour Party. And according to how Oga Rabiu Kwankwaso take yarn am, he say him big pass Oga Peter Obi politically. So he na elder brother to Mr. Peter Obi and he get PhD, you understand? And him perform better when he be governor. He do pass Oga Peter Obi when Oga Peter Obi na governor too. So therefore, he ready to work with Oga Peter Obi under some kind conditions, you understand? This in partnership now, they come with terms and conditions. Now you see these politicians now, all of them they strategize for the 2027 general elections. Now the general public no know who will last come outside as the winner, because 2027 na still like 2 years ahead, you understand? But we dey hope say anybody will last win the election, he gets the interest of the general public at heart. And we dey pray say make him put democracy and the rule of law for the back of him mind. So this my good people, now all of the information I want share give the general public. Anyhow the thing be you for body, feel free make it drop am inside our comment section. Now we be Anointed Lady TV. Now they give on our legit information on the things and things wey dey happen for inside we country Nigeria. So if you like this information and you would like to receive more, try make you subscribe to this channel and try make you put on the notification bell, so that as we dey bring the news they come, now you go first receive the updates and you go get them sharp. And try make you share the news to your family and friends, so that them too they go know wetin dey sup for inside we country Nigeria. And they come inside again with another legit intel for you, my good people. Abeg, no go anywhere.